Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afner, and today we're going to talk about functions with arguments. So we already did functions without arguments in our last video of functions, but we're doing today functions with arguments, okay? So what are functions without arguments? They're like, okay, let's compare them. So functions without arguments increase the memory. Take a lot of time and increase your memory. Hi. Yeah, say hi to him, guys. And with functions with arguments will decrease the memory and less time. So time will be faster and it will decrease the memory. Exactly. So let's get into one example, okay? So let's say we do def. So define, agreed, okay? Two brackets, and then do that. Colon, okay? For the indent. Let's say, so instead of agree, what we're gonna put here, is name. So now what we're gonna do is print with the string formatting F, okay? Hi, name. Hi, name. Oh, sorry, how are you? So, question mark, exactly. What we do is, okay? So what we do now is name equals to input, bracket quotation marks, enter your name. So, and the quotation marks and bracket, now what we do is greet, name. Okay? Now, let's just try running the code. Okay? So we gotta save it and let's save it in our documents. Okay, and we can write here AD. So, okay, AD. So, and then Avner. And then what it says is, hi Avner, how are you? Okay? So that's function with arguments. Because without arguments, it takes so much time, right? It takes like so much time. It takes even more lines to do. So let's try doing with that, like numbers addition, okay? Or we can do multiplication. So we try changing it. So define greet, and then, because we want two numbers to add, so let's do x, comma y, right? What we do now is z equals to x plus y. So for doing addition, it's like kind of a little advanced. You would have to revise it. So what we do is now print sum colon equals. So string formatting. So format, and then we put here z, and then close it. Okay. Now what we do is x equals to int bracket input bracket quotation marks enter your first number. So we close two of that. Two brackets close. Y equals to int bracket input bracket quotation marks enter your second number. Okay. Well, this is not greet. Why am I doing that? Add appropriate function, guys. Like, why do I always do this? Right? So, the space. Okay. So space it. Now what we do is here add x comma y. So x comma y. Well, let's see what it writes. Okay, I could have just entered, but it's okay. No, 1. Sum 2. Let's try it again. Because without arguments, it's even a more line and it takes more time. 78. And this much I would say. What am I doing here? I mean, this is a little bit, right? I mean, that's not a little bit, that's a lot. That's a big sum. I mean, a grade 1 could calculate that. Even I could. So whatever. So let's try let's try changing it to multiplication instead. So here, we can write here multiplication. Here, we can write here, a mul for multiplication, short form, guys. The appropriate functions, so we're going to use mul here, and the mul here. And now let's run. Or let's say we're going to do a 45 by the power of 2. Okay, it's 2025 because there's a trick for that, guys, okay? So first we do, the separate 45 power 2. Separate 4, the 10s and 1s. So multiply 4. What number comes after 4? 5, right? So 4 times 5 is 20. Now 5 square is what? 25. So put 20. Add them. Put them together. Concatenate. And you get the answer. As it is 2025, which will be next year, right? Exactly. So we can put this into exponent and right here ex. And right here ex. Now we can write here ex. Now we can write here, so exponent. Now we can write, okay, let's see what happens if we write just this. 45 by the power of 5. Let's see what it writes. Okay, that's really huge. Let's go way lesser, like 2 by the power of 10, which is 10,024. If you don't believe me, I'll do this right now. 2 by the power of 10. I said 1,024. So 2 by the power of 10 is 1,024. If you guys don't believe me, I'm doing it. As I told you, it's 1,024. Exactly. What if I do 10 by the power of 2? If some of you guys know 100, exactly. 10 by the power of 10 is 10 billion. So 10, what is it? Okay, that's 10 billion if you counted that. Okay, so thank you for listening about how to do functions with arguments. I hope you like it.